Hey everybody, it's Kira. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to make some art today, and this time we're going to do something a little different. So I've taken this yellow ink that I've made myself from some markers, and it's going on Tyvek. That's right, not photo paper, not board, but Tyvek, the kind used for mail. We've got some Brea Reese ink and some Pinata pink ink in here as well. And really, this is just an experiment to see what Tyvek is going to be like to use alcohol inks on. It's supposed to be pretty water resistant, and I will be the first person to admit here that I made some mistakes. I definitely bought some Tyvek that is water resistant, not waterproof. Apparently you can get Tyvek with a coating on it so you can print on it. It's completely waterproof, and that is not what I bought. So we're gonna end up with some really interesting texture pieces here, and it's, although not what I expected, I do like it, and I'm gonna use it as kind of a base in my next piece, which you're going to see in the next video. So you just gotta wait for that. Be patient. Oh yeah, it soaks right through that paper. So here I am just blowing stuff around with the airbrush. I wanted a lot of precision with this because I don't have a lot of working time. And though it's not making kind of the same effects that you would get using a Yupo paper or a sealed canvas or some photo paper, I do like the texture of the Tyvek itself. So I don't know if you can see it super well here, but there is a lot of fabric-like texture because it is essentially a synthetic fabric. So I'm basically just going to spread everything around as best as I can before it sinks in and dries, and then we're just going to leave it alone and let it dry for a while and see how it ends up. Alright, we're back. It's dry. Look at that. Definitely a lot lighter in color than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. I do have some plans for it, so stay tuned for the next video and you'll see what I do with it.